Young lady who played a police officer in Alkaline's highly controversial Afterall music video.
Afterall.
In the video,
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
One, you don't know Media Fox, you know. So people, I take you back down some memory lane, you know. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know. Yo, you see that song they name Afterall? Yo, when that song they drop and the video, I never know normal people, me I tell you. You see all of them video there where you see with prop gun and whatever gun and all of them little thing there? Yeah, man. Alka open the gates to that. Me I tell you, cause the way the man the impactful with them thing, brother, like, yo, everything the man do. You see me? The system try to criminate it or something. You see it, which you don't know you have movies, you have acting and all of them look something there, but I know when Alka do it, it's just a different attention. You see me? But one girl in the video where act like a police scene, act like a police and thing. Although police in the vehicles, in the video still, you know. You see me when Alkaline in the car and, you know, and him bridging whatsoever, and then them all the bridging. Police they actually in it. But like the part in the house now with Alka, yeah. It's just a girl. But yo, the video they change. Imagine the video they change the girl life. I tell you, all who never know her did get to know her after that. And she used a little time because she dropped music and one bag of thing. You know, go on with that little thing and, you know, she start getting, people start calling her for going a video and all that. But I want to see what go on and hear what go on. You see me, because investigation go on the video and one bag of thing and, you know, the girl found out and clear certain things. You see, but look what I pray.
young lady who played a police officer in Alkaline's highly controversial Afterall music video.
Afterall.
In the video, which has men dressed as gangsters and carrying high-powered weapons, Miss Kirkland is in a scene dressed as a Jamaican police officer performing an explicit sex act with Alkaline. The music video generated widespread outrage on several fronts. The use of what appears to be JCF uniforms in multiple scenes, guns being carried by men dressed as gangsters, and the portrayal of a female having sexual intercourse whilst partially dressed as a police officer. Tudine, herself a performing artist, stage named Quality, right now, right here, on our stage.
Hi, Winfred.
Tudine, good to have you.
Yes.
All right, so apart from acting in the Alkaline video,
Yes.
have you played any other role in its production?
No, I haven't. Just acting.
Just the acting?
Yes.
So how did you get in the video?
Well, the day before I got a call.
To come and be a part of a video?
Yes.
Okay.
So it wasn't planned. Nothing was planned. It's like I just went there and
So
I
you were
did the
called
video.
by the director, I think?
Yes.
Who is J. Will?
Yeah.
To come and perform as an actress?
Yes.
So it was a job for you?
Yes, it's a job.
And when they described what you would be wearing, your character,
Yes.
which is a police officer,
Yes.
did you have any objections to
No.
that?
No.
You didn't think that doing that would be anything wrong or illegal?
No, not at all, because it's a movie. I don't see why would it be illegal. There are lots of movies out there. Like, people go and watch movies at the theater and they enjoyed it. Yeah, man a kill man, everything happen, and they enjoyed it.
People, let me tell you, you know, you see how them people attack. Remember, you know, in a movie, right? We have NYPD or whatsoever, Miami this, that. Seeing? Miami CIA. Seeing? In a movie, you watch them thing there with guns and everything, right? Nobody not say nothing. They must say, oh, I just movie that. Seeing? But you see, because them time the Alkaline was the man that damaged the place and the industry never too like him. Because they must say, yo, other youth are just forward and just do him feel like so. You understand? Him just do him feel like and him now go by our rules. You understand? The youth just do him thing. So that's why now, he might ask the girl, say, yo, you know, feel say that illegal. I say, illegal? Brother, it's a skit. Me no watch enough movies and all of them look at thing there. All back in the days, me don't know if you watch this Jamaican thing with Third World Cup, with Elephant Man, them and Ratty and Capone and all of them look at thing there. Brother, I see him. All Heavy D did in it. The police, a Heavy D we keeps thing in there. A long time police act in a video or movie or whatever. So that video, Afterall video, I never nothing different, brother. You understand? But you see, because of Alkaline, that's the problem, and that cause everything. Come here tell you this change your girl life, but you gotta explain it down in that video and make it know here. But you don't know, Winfred them did against Alkaline thing back in the days, you know. So every little thing them go, you know, make it seems like what it is, which is not.
Okay.
You understand? So I'm looking at it at that point of view. I'm not really looking at it as, oh, I'm disrespecting anybody or, I'm not looking at it like that. If I ask and it doesn't look real, it would be like, oh,
But
nobody will talk about it.
If a police officer is caught on camera
Yes.
doing what you did in that video,
Yes.
how would you feel about that?
Winfred, you can't mix a movie with reality.
No, I'm just saying, it's the portrayal, the images, the whole idea of a police officer in that position. If it
Yo, so yeah, tell me, say, you're gonna ask the girl if how should I feel if she see a next, say basically next police woman I do that out there. Say, brother, why should we feel a way about that? Me don't understand that. Why should we feel a way about that? Me don't know if you don't know one video with this policeman. Say them catch him a eat cookie and cream in a van or was some van. One big video they come in with one policeman man and one woman. You see me? Man say I eat rum and raisin or something like so. You see me? We don't know what I mean. We don't have to spell it out. See? So, me not understand what kind of question that. The girl don't tell us it's a acting, it's not a real thing. So, me don't know how you ask her, how should I feel if she say a next. Brother, if a next police woman, them catch her, brother, then maybe just take her, have a frontline duty or what, it not have nothing to do with nobody. As she a do what she a doing, brother. Where how the girl feel some type of way. Eh? Me not understand some question with the man them ask. Jano.
were real and she was caught on camera, would you not feel that police officers... How would you feel?
Not so that. I wouldn't feel away. Well, it would be her fault anyways. Probably her partner, whoever it was, she was doing it with.
Yes.
It wasn't all public. It's not like she was out doing something like, I'm doing this and I want them to feel. No.
All right, the police say they are still investigating all the people in the video.
Yes.
Do you know whether you're under investigation?
No, I don't think so, and I shouldn't be.
Because again, you don't feel that you've done anything wrong.
No, I haven't. It's not that I don't feel it. I haven't done
giving you a
anything
chance
wrong.
to...
And it's not as if I have no regrets or I regret doing it. No, I don't, because I did not do anything wrong. I was just acting.
So what is the extent of the fallout from it? And what are people saying? What are people who know you are saying and so on?
Well, some people say, well, I see you go on bad cop and, stay good, proper, all them. So those are the things I get from people. I don't really get any negative vibes. Sometimes when I go on the internet and I reading the comments, some people say, oh, this and oh, that. But it's the character they're talking about. They're not talking about me because they don't know quality. You understand?
Okay. And your family, what are they saying?
People, you know what? Winford did that expect the people for bash her, and say what that I do, You understand? That him expect. But at the end of the day, in a them time there, when she in the video, Alkaline video, the man himself, everybody I got prepare up. You understand? See, she tell you, a BS man, she has because she say, yo, this change her life. She get bookings to go in her next music video, people are link her for acting, all of them, it change her life. But Winford feel like, say, her life crumble after that. No, brother. It make more people want to book her. Cause what? Alkaline video. That girl, You come like, yo, they don't know what going on,
What do they feel?
Well, my family, I don't talk about it with my families. I don't, because they haven't said anything to me. Probably watch it and they don't want to say anything. But
They're shocked. Maybe they're shocked.
but when they hear my explanation, they're saying, oh, Cha, it's not real. Because a lot of people think it's real. Because they must have played it so good. I don't know. It's just a role.
People, you know why she said that is because at that time, you see all of them prop gun there, whatever in the video, right? All of them, whatever gun there in the video, It's like it was something new, like something different, and it wasn't like a regular video back then. You understand? So it's like, yo, the controversy around the video. Like, yo, cause this is one of Alkaline biggest song, You understand? I want to biggest song this. After all, that would just a wait for a call. So it's like, yo, when that video they drop people, it think coming like a movie. I want a video. To be honest, I only video when me see it actually coming like a movie. Me I tell you the way it act out. It tough because I think in the last part when the brother jump in at the goalie and it say, yo, to be continue, yo, everybody that look for your next clip, But yo, that video, iconic video. It was a great movie. Them time there. Yo, that's what I tell you, That's why Alkaline say, yo, enough to him set and him not eye about it because them time there, back then, nobody gun and them time there, nobody never do no video have no, like, make it look movie-ish like our bag of gun and all of them. So when Alkaline do that, it change everything. All of them video the way you see with a bag of gun and bag of man and all of them little thing there in the video. This was a breakthrough. You understand? The video hit. Me and tell everybody I talk about it. You see me? Yeah, man.
All right, so let's switch over now to career.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yes, that's okay.
All right, so you're in music, you're an artist,
Yeah.
a recording artist.
Yes.
And you've done some recordings.
Yes, I have.
Okay, and you're also pursuing a career in acting.
Yes, I love acting.
And that's why you're in the video.
Yes.
Okay, so all right, so let's look at both your acting
Yeah.
and your music writing. So there you have it, a taste of quality in acting and in music, right? So,
Yes.
so where are you now in terms of your recordings? You've done some recordings.
Yes.
Are you getting airplay on these things?
Yes, I'm getting airplay. Whenever I go to the parties, Swash International, they always be playing my song. Boom Boom, Big Up on Yourself. They're always playing my song, Kush Kush, and Schoolboy from Spanish Town. Yeah, they give me a lot of support in the streets.
So this vibe, this energy, which some would say negative,
Yeah.
others will say not negative.
Yes.
The video, is it changed anything for you? Are you getting more attention now?
Yes, I'm getting way more attention, way more, and it's good so far.
And your music is getting played as a result too?
Yes, a lot of my songs are getting played.
So even producers looking for you?
Of course, everybody look for me. Everybody want to book me. I get bookings for December already. I get bookings all over the place. People be calling. Want to know more about quality.
Yo, people, me say Winford, yo, man can't believe. Say after the video, she act as a police in the video with Alka. She can't believe, say, people would have want to work with her. Yo, the man traumatized, man, and say, yo, after this, everybody, the video changed the girl life. You know, your girl that says she have bookings in a December and everybody a link her song them a play. What you mean? It changed her whole life. That just a little clip there when she in a room with Alka, it does change everything. But Winford him couldn't believe, kind of expect say, yo, people not feel link with that girl here. It a do well for her. You understand? That one thing with, you see when you grow on Alka, you think you go prosper. You understand? Because Alka build youths and look out for youths. So our whole life change, everybody a book her, all of them look at something there. You see me? Yeah, and maybe she still a do what she a do. See him in a 2026, maybe all overseas and all of them look at thing they a do her thing. You see me?
And acting, are you getting that too?
Yes, a lot of people focusing on My Name is Pam because it's very inspirational. It talks about what young women go through from a day-to-day basic. Yeah,
Okay.
and they have grown from the situation, from the bad decision that they have made. They have grown and turned it into something good.
And this was produced by your brother, right?
Yes, Amaziah the Great, my brother.
Amaziah the Great.
Yes.
And why did he and you want to address this topic?
Because we need to talk about stuff that is going on into the country right now. And a lot of women have been abused every day on a day-to-day basis. So we need people to watch My Name is Pam because they can learn from it. Don't stay at one place in your life. If you have made bad decision, grow from that. Use that as a stepping stone.
So it's online, right?
Yes, it's on YouTube. Just type in My Name is Pam and you'll get to view it.
And you get to view it, right?
Yes, and you guys can look for me on Instagram at quali.t, QUALI.TEE.
All right, so talk about your community. What community are you from?
I'm from Alkaline, Spanish Town. Well, I was born and raised in 45 at Berlin, and then, I moved and stuff like that.
Who else in the family?
Oh, my dad, my dad, Albert Kirkland, mommy, Erica Anderson. I have 9 siblings. Yes, I'm the 10th one. Yes.
Big family.
Yes, a very big family.
And you have a day job, don't you?
Yes, I do. I work at Smart Post.
Smart Post.
Yeah, so whenever
It's a
you
shipping.
yes, it's a shipping company. So whenever you want to do your shipping, you can go there. Smart Post, great choice. Yes.
So I suppose you'll soon be leaving that job.
Yes, I do. I know that I have to leave the job, but they're so nice, and a lot of times I go there because I just feel so comfortable around them, and they treat me so well.
Well, you can always come back and give them love. And
Yes, I will.
Children, do you have any?
Yes, I have a Banks little bit boy. Well, he's 8 now.
Have an 8-year-old?
Love you. Yeah, he's gonna watch this. I love him.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yes.
Congrats.
Yeah.
Well, my dear, I hope your future is bright.
Yes.
I hope you'll get to realize your potential in music and some
Yes.
of the dreams you have, both in music and in acting,
Yeah.
going forward. And thanks so much for coming and sharing your story with us.
Yes.
Because sometimes we see people do things like what you did in that video and we think they're not like us. They're like they're different, you know what I mean? And
No, man, there's nothing different. It's just acting.
Yo, dog. I know, brother. You could have just wish your girl well, brother. You have to bring up back a video again. I thought about, yo, sometime the person in the video is a different person. Can realize that the girl nice, and act, presentable and every little thing. You see, so that's why I say, yo, I think, say, because that's why I question her about the family thing and, how she deal with her family, if you see the personality should be. You understand? But I saw them man stay, you know, them can't just spread the thing in a positive way. You see, not because you see somebody acting in a video means say that them personality is just acting. Same like how somebody acting in a movie. That means you saw them stay in a real life. You understand? But you don't know through Alkaline, you know anything goes. You see, them are gonna take it as some bad thing and you only know things said people. You see me?
No, people do act.
You're just a regular Jamaican girl.
Exactly, I'm a
Trying to
regular
find a way in
Jamaican.
this life.
You know, it has been going good for me anyways.
Trudy, quality, thank you so much. Great to meet you.
Yeah man, tell him say yo from you in a video with Alka after all, your whole life change. You can feed your family and all of them little thing there, you know you're nice. You're famous, everybody know you, you get bookings, everybody calling a BM music video. Your song them a get more play, all of them little thing there. I progress that. You understand? If somebody can just go in a video and be a good things are going for you. You understand? Why would you pre that as a negative thing? When you have people out there do a bag of acting and movie, evil win for themselves. Sit down and you maybe go theater or somewhere and sit down and watch a movie with the same police and you see police and some man or police or one man do something or whatsoever. The same thing, brother. It's just a video, it's just acting, it's not a real thing. You understand? I just saw the thing like it's just a art, a reflection of life. You see me? What happen in a real life in the video, it no mean say yo a real something a go on. You see me? Yeah, it's just a song reflect a society, you know, something we are going in a real life. So we don't take it the wrong way. You see me? Cause I guess him feel like say yo after that, come talk about investigation and every little thing. Well, that go on and thing and everything good now at 2026. This was 10 years after. You understand? But people, when they don't know, you know, yeah man, a one media facts man, and you know, sometimes we have to go down back memory lane and show no what I go on. Cause look here, Alka do it. You see me? This is after 10 years. You see it? And the boss are doing things same way. One of the biggest song them in the dancehall, Afterall, I don't know what things said. But, you know, only fool last to know. Everything are gonna make sense soon. Yeah man, but you don't know a media facts. Yeah man, the facts to talk, you see, no feelings, no emotions. You see me? That is it.